guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today guys, something very nice. We're going to make a beef stew with roast vegetable, but in my way. You know, I really like it, and it's always my stuff is very easy and tasty. We need few ingredients. This is the first step. I have a kilo of diced beef. I love chuck steak. This is chuck steak, is the part of beef I love. We need some salt and pepper, celery. I'm gonna add some ginger, onion, red wine just to give it that flavor, and some garlic. Okay, my wok is ready. What I have to do first stuff is we turn it on. We leave it warm up a little bit, and this time I chopped the celery. Celery you have to chop like this, normal, like you how you like. A lot of people don't like celery. You cannot put it, but if you like, because the flavor is absolutely in this dish is basically. Later, onion we cut. I take this big onion already. I took some. We need a little bit rough, you know, not very little. But if you like little, you can even you can blend it. Okay, but I prefer big, like this. Okay, because first we're gonna brown it the meat. Okay, I think we add some oil. Some oil. First thing this time, no onion and not garlic. I put straight away the meat because I need the meat. We're gonna brown it. Okay, this gonna take like 20 minutes. Very nice. I need to gonna brown very well because I'm gonna finish this meat later in the oven with the vegetable. Okay, and always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe to the channel, check our website, a lot of things there, and that's it. Well, I'm gonna show you when my meat is like I want, and we're gonna add this onion and celery and ginger, garlic, everything. Okay, see you in 20 minutes. Okay guys, 15 minutes. I have this, you know, so much water, but I had already a little bit of salt and pepper. Now is the time our celery in, our ginger, garlic, because guys this meat gonna cook around at least 1.5 hours. Later depend how soft it is, because we're gonna finish this another half an hour in the oven. Okay, now without leave the flame very high, and now we leave all this onion and celery. They gonna cook in, and we're gonna wait to reduce the oil liquid, and we're gonna add the wine, and we leave it to cook. And when it's like we like, gonna be soft enough to be another half an hour at least in the oven with vegetable. Because after this, I'm gonna show you which vegetable I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna add some mushrooms, carrots, aubergine, courgette, and pepper, and you know, just to clean the fridge with the vegetable, and gonna be very very nice. Okay, I'm gonna show you later the next step. Okay guys, this now is half an hour and more. No, exactly it's 40 minutes cooking. Now it's not much left here. Now it's time to add this glass of red wine, or if you like white wine, but I prefer red. Now leave there and wait again. Everything gonna dry, and we're gonna put the lid on and gonna evaporize like my Gajinka said, and I adjust with salt and pepper, and later I'm gonna show you how we're gonna cut this vegetable. I add a parsnip because my son Enrico want some more roast vegetable. Okay, this garlic I need for vegetable, and soon I'm gonna show you how we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna mix it, and when the meat is ready, we're gonna mix everything. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. Okay, see you soon. Okay, guys, now is the time. The smell, guys, is absolutely wow. Try salt, pepper, stuff like that. Adjust, and now is the time to put lid on, reduce the flame, medium low, and this gonna cook. I don't know, because every meat is different, you know. We cook this around, because it's already 45 minutes this process, no? I think I need in total 1.5 hours. But if your meat is ready before, it's ready before. If mine is ready before, it's ready before. You gonna try, taste sometime and check. If it's soft enough, stop it, you know, because later we're gonna finish in the oven at least another half an hour. Don't forget this, okay? Now I clean some mess here. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna cut the vegetable, okay? See you soon. Okay, guys, now I want to show you my beef. Look at that. Now, when it's in this way, guys, I try already. It's absolutely delicious. Now, lid off. Don't put any more lid. We're gonna reduce a little bit this juice there, and I start to cut the vegetable. The vegetable, guys, is not one way to cut. Cut how you like. You know, example, parsnip, you can cut like this. You can cut in half. You know, like this. Now, we are not master chef, but you can cut any way you like. You know, example, parsnip, I like cut like this. You know, my son Enrico love it like that. You know, mushrooms, example, mushroom. I like all mushroom like that. You know, but you can cut in half. You know, because you're gonna find the mushroom inside. The courgette, you can cut or roll like that, or again, cut in half, cut again, and you can have like this. Guys, up to you, you know. I want to show you the aubergine, last one. I'm aubergine, I'm going to cut like this, because you have to give the way to cook in the oven, you know. Don't too small. It's done. This is done, okay? So cut all your vegetable, and when the meat is ready, I'm gonna show you. Well, before we mix everything, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna mix the vegetable, okay? Basically, we're gonna mix the vegetable, salt, pepper, garlic, some rosemary, and that's it. Very easy, Mediterranean. We don't use too much stuff, but we cook very tasty. Okay. See you later when I'm finished cut the vegetable, and we're gonna mix we're gonna add the spices to the vegetable. Okay. Okay, guys. My beef is almost done. I'm gonna turn it off soon. We cook it is 1 hour and 20 minutes already. Now, my vegetable, Susie, please. My vegetable is cut. I told you, you can cut any size you like, okay? This garlic, I use 3. Chop it and put inside. I add paprika. I love paprika, but if you don't like, you don't have to. It's I love a lot. I give that color beautiful. Paprika, garlic powder. Be generous, because it's gonna be in the oven. Is very nice. Black pepper, salt, how much you like always, and a nice generous amount of nice extra virgin olive oil. I use my from Puglia, because I'm from Puglia. I love this. It's one of the best for me. And later, guys, take your hand, mix everything. You know, when you mix everything from other side, add a little bit more oil, because the vegetable, when they raw, they absorb a lot. Pepper again, paprika again, everything again, okay? The amount, I didn't say any grams and stuff like that. Put how much you like, you know, because every chef, cooker is different. Mix everything again, it's ready. Now, I'm waiting another 10 minutes for the beef. The oven started on 200 degrees. We're gonna cook this stuff there. I'm gonna show you when we mix everything together around the vegetable cooking, half an hour, maximum 40 minutes. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, the meat is already 15 minutes off. It's absolutely delicious. Now what we're gonna do? Olive oil on the bottom, and we take the meat first. Just put inside there. I need everything. Okay? Just try to everywhere. The oven is already on 200 degrees. This is gonna cook around 30-40 minutes. Later, the way you like the vegetable. Okay? The vegetable they already we season it and put on the top. Okay? Spread everything like this. Guys, it's very Mediterranean stuff. Again, olive oil on the top. And this go in the oven now for 200 degrees around 30-40 minutes. But later I'm gonna be more precise. Okay? I put it in the oven and see you later when we're gonna test it and we're gonna see how nice it is. See you later. Okay, guys, my stewing beef with roast vegetable is ready. It's already 10 minutes out. I think the smell, guys, is absolutely amazing. The vegetable is wow, super nice. Still hot. Guys, is absolutely delicious. This is another masterpiece, very easy. But guys, try it, and that's it. My video recipe is done. My stewing beef with roast vegetable is this. If you like always, guys, finger up and follow us. Ciao.